It's me again, and I got a very interesting message this morning. So, the guy that I have my W bikes serviced at just messaged that one of the bikes that I've always wanted to ride ever since the movie. Anyway, I won't tell you the movie. Anyway, that movie has arrived at his shop, and it's technically road legal because the papers have been processed or transferred. So I was thinking my BMW RT needs to be serviced anyway. I will bring it over to him. We will swap. I will vlog about it. I don't know if you guys be interested in that bike, but I am, so I will. So I'll be riding the RT right now. Let me switch the camera. I'm so sorry. There. I'll be riding this back to Quezon City. I'm here with Jolly right now, picking up this bike that I haven't even revealed yet, which we will reveal now. What bike is that?
Ito, 1998 na R1200C.
Nice. And the movie that I was pertaining to a while ago was Tomorrow Never Dies. I get confused if it's The World Is Not Enough or Tomorrow Never Dies. Anyway, it's that bike that was used in the chase scene na hinahabol silang dalawa ni Michelle Yeoh ng mga Range Rover. And yeah, that was one of the most interesting selections of James Bond. I think they wanted to promote this bike na parang first time gagawin ng BMW na mukhang cruiser na hindi Harley. Anyway, I'll tell you guys the... Ooh, beautiful. So, a little bit of history on this particular bike. Ano nga ulit, Jolly? Busy siya. Okay. Checking the alternator. Anyway, itong bike na to, diba, it doesn't run or something like that?
Nakuha namin at least.
Was stuck for 2 years. 2 years ba?
Ito na register. 2018. 2 years.
2 years. And it wasn't running. Malamang, nasa galing ni Jolly.
Ayaw basahan ng computer ang problema.
Ayaw basahan ng computer. And anyway, napatakbo niya. At kaya nandito na ako ngayon to pick it up and enjoy it. At the same time, give it a really good detail. Hey guys, today we're going to be riding the R1200C. Basically, this bike, it's like Harley Davidson platform, but German engineer. BMW. Back in 1998, I believe, was when the movie Tomorrow Never Dies came out. BMW thought maybe they'd want to promote this type of bike to that market because they've already captured, the ATV market, the sport bike market, a little bit of it, naked, but definitely not the cruiser. So when it came out, Harley Davidson guys were like, what the hell is that? Like, we're not buying that. And that's why I believe they discontinued the bike in 2004. So it ran from 98 to 2004. Last year, 2020, that they announced the R18, which is supposedly something like this, but an 1800cc displacement engine. And from that point forward, the owners of the R1200C started to, come out, post their bikes on marketplace or around the world, like eBay and other Craigslist. Put value in their bikes because they're like, okay, the R18 is out and the R1200C looks like it. So, and people are going crazy over the R18.
even before the craze, I mean, I was very crazy about the bike just because of the movie of Pierce Brosnan. There were only two guys I knew back in the day that had these bikes. Today at Skyway, getting an RFID tag for the R1200C because I'll probably be using it, you know, a couple more days or weeks. And I live in the south, so this is essential for transportation. The bike doesn't have a windshield, so it's gonna be attached to the headlight, which hopefully they have stocks. They keep running out of stocks of those headlight RFIDs for motorcycles. Anyway, pushing the bike right now with my foot.
Dito na lang.
Wag dyan. Wag dyan. Dito sa...
O dito na lang.
Oh, dyan. Pwede.
Yan ah.